One thing I learned is that I can take care of the deeper tissue, I can elevate things, make you look better, but a lot of us do this, we neglect our skin. And I can't fix it with the scalpel, and I don't want you to rely on us. I want you to take care of your skin. Nassif MD Skincare BioClock Dermaceuticals will revitalize your skin. Unfortunately, aging of the skin is inevitable, but I have good news. It's never too late to improve your skin. What I ultimately want to provide to the HSN customer is 3 simple words: results, results, results.
Hi everybody, look who's back. Dr. Nassif is back, and of course you love watching him on Botched, but I tell you what, you're gonna love him even more when he brings you the finest skincare that normally you have to go to his office to get, but we have it here at HSN, and we are starting with the Deco Lift neck firming complex. Just look at the results in only 8 weeks. And I gotta tell you really quickly, we took this from $60 all the way to $45. We're doing free shipping. We're doing it on FlexPay at $22 and change. If you have your HSN charge card, $15 to bring it home. But Dr. Nassif, when we start talking about the neck and décolleté, this is one of the most difficult areas on our body to treat because the skin is different, right?
Oh yeah, I mean, here's what happens, especially as you ladies are watching these before and afters. By the way, this before and after you're seeing now, you're gonna meet her. This is Cynthia. But what happens is this: how many of you grab your neck, you pull it tight, and you say you wish your neck was like this?
Yeah, let's show everybody, because we've all looked in the mirror. Okay. We have, ladies, we have all done this. Look, we've gone like this.
Now, as a surgeon, yes, I can do a facelift, neck lift, and I can actually lift up some of your tissue. I can do that. However, one thing I can't do, I can't get rid of the fine wrinkles. By the way, the skin on the neck is very, very thin and delicate. But with something, by the way, I have something called ethyl absorbic acid, which is a very stable form of vitamin C, together with something called the Quoxyl, which is in pilot studies shown to keep everything hydrated, to keep all the hydration in your neck area, plus neopeptides. This has been our magic formula. That's why the before and afters here, which I'm gonna stroll over. I mean, I'll let you, and I'll tell you, the before and after is incredible. And
I gotta tell everybody too, we took it from 60, as I said, all the way down to $45. Now, if you wanna do this on auto ship, which means you will never pay $60 for this again, you can sign up for auto ship. The great thing is, even if you only get it once a year, you still only pay that price once you've signed up for auto ship, but you customize it any way you want. You can do it every 90 days. You can do it every, 3 months, every 6 months, however you want to do it. If you sign up for auto ship, you'll always get that price. But bottom line, if you have, as we said, you've looked in the mirror and you've done this, or maybe, Dr. Nassif, we've counted those lines like tree ring dating on our neck, or maybe it's this area where we've gotten a lot of sun. I mean, we really show our age there first, right?
Oh yeah, I mean, this is it, and I'm gonna show you some before and afters, so I want you to get your cup of coffee, look, enjoy, and here we go. All right, first of all, take a look at these lines, and by the way, this is someone in the mid-60s. Looking right here what we have. Take a look only after 6 weeks, look at the difference, how they've softened dramatically.
Wow.
And we have a lot of these, so we're gonna kind of fly by them. Let me have the next one. And I have a lot of necks besides some decks we're gonna show too. This right here shows, this is the platysma muscle. It's hanging. Surgery is what I usually use to help this. Take a look without surgery. Just take a look right here.
Oh my gosh.
Take a look how this has been elevated, and it's softer, and absolutely incredible elevation. Do we have the next one? All right, now.
Oh, I love this one.
Now here's the platysma muscle, and this is what I have to do with surgery, but I want you to look at the wrinkles. Take a look at the wrinkles close up here. Hopefully you guys can see this at home. And look at the difference in these wrinkles, how they absolutely subsided. We have the next one. All right, now here's the décolleté, and we're gonna show you more next after. Okay, take a look at the wrinkles. This is right in between the breast. Take a look at the skin color. Look at this, look at that. Connie, what do you think of that before and after?
That's amazing. And again, that's something that probably you never thought you could fix. But as a facial plastic surgeon and reconstructive surgeon, Dr. Nassif is bringing us the best of the best of the best. This is what he gives his patients as they come to see him in the office. And I've got to remind everybody, $60 is our regular selling price. We're doing it for $45 right now. So if you're not happy with this area, if you find yourself wearing higher necklines because you're not happy with this area, maybe maybe again, like Dr. Nassif said, you look in the mirror and you think, what would I look like if I were, you know, more toned, if I didn't have this tree ring dating on my neck? This is something you have to try. And I gotta tell you, Dr. Nassif, when I'm shopping for skincare, I wanna shop with a doctor, especially a world-renowned plastic surgeon. And I've also gotta tell you, right now, over 500 people have already ordered. The best part is here at HSN, you put it at $22.50 on your charge card. You get it home, you try for 30 days. Oh, wow. Look at the difference here.
I mean, now look at, and this again is between the breast. Take a look at these wrinkles right here, especially if you sleep on one side. This is gonna happen. Look at it up here, look at the color tone, look at those wrinkles. They're gone. That is pretty magical. Can we have the next one? And that's what that aquoxyl and that vitamin C is doing. Again, look at the tone of the skin, look at the color.
Amazing.
Look how this is completely rejuvenated. It's excited, it's new, it's fresh. Look at all those wrinkles. And by the way, that's 8 weeks. What happens if you use this all the way through the holidays? Look at the improvement. All right. Now, and by the way, I want you, I'm gonna go back to this one in a minute because this is our lovely live model, Cynthia. But take a look at this because I think we have a few more necks I wanna show if we have the time. Take a look at this.
And how old is she?
How old is she? Are you gonna tell us or you don't wanna tell us? She's saying no, she's not gonna tell us.
Okay.
But look at these wrinkles. Take a look at this. And look at here, this is only 6 weeks, 2 times a day. Now she's been using it for a lot longer. Do we have more of those necks? You know, in the beginning we had some necks and I wanted to show you guys if we had them. But I'll tell you one thing, if you go to hsn.com, you're gonna see all kinds of necks. But I'm gonna walk over. And let's go see here.
And I gotta remind everybody too, I would do this on auto ship because today we are saving you $15 off our regular selling price. Let's face it, ladies, a lot of us have taken good care of the skin on our face, but we've neglected the neck, we've neglected the décolleté. This is something that's gonna treat those two areas to again give you that youthful look. And it's going to not only work on the lines and wrinkles, but also the appearance of the firmness as well. We're gonna check back in with Dr. Nassif, reminding you too, it's just $22.50 to get it at home and try it for the first time.
Okay, so here we go. This is Cynthia, everybody. Say hi, give her a nice big wave.
Hi.
Now, she doesn't have the accent like my English friend does, but this area right here. So you just saw that, and I don't know if we can we go back for a second to her before photo, and then can we do a close-up here? And I want to explain, then this is, there we go. So take a look at her before photo, all right? And then the photo on the right is her 6 weeks after. And now, can we do a close-up on her? And this has now been a few months. I'm gonna hold her neck back just a little bit. And again, this is someone, okay, I'm not gonna mention her age. We'll just say that, you know, we each have a few years on us. And look at her skin. And again, we're not gonna get rid of everything, but I will tell you something. This is completely rejuvenated compared to that before photo when you saw her. I mean, and she continues to use this. And this is one thing there, I mean, we look at that, you can see the difference.
Absolutely.
And
you can also, her décolleté too, if you look not only at the neck, obviously the neck, you see a huge difference, the smoothness on the décolleté, because all of us, I feel like over the age of 13, we have something on our décolleté because this is a different skin than the skin anywhere else on your body. So this is treating not only the neck, but also the décolleté. And remember today at $15 off with over 500 people saying yes to it, we're doing free shipping and $22.50 to bring it home. These photos though are remarkable. I mean, honestly, look at that.
Well, yeah, but you know what though? I mean, I don't know, we had a few more necks and I gotta tell you, the neck photos are something that I did not expect. And this is, by the way, just, here we go. Here they are.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, ladies, while you're watching that, I'll just talk about it. Take a look at that deep wrinkle in the mid-neck. That one right there, look at that, how that's softened. All right, do we have then one more after that? Because these necks.
Oh my goodness. Look at the contour of the neck.
The contour of the neck. But I will tell you, I love these before and afters.
You do.
That is the biggest, I mean, that to me with the neck is absolutely incredible.
Well, and again, 2 minutes left to shop on this one. If you're sitting there and you're not happy with your neck, if you are wearing higher necklines because your décolleté bothers you, you're seeing that kind of like that crisscross road map wrinkling on your décolleté, you owe it to yourself to try this. Because I love the fact that we have Dr. Nassif here. He is putting his name on this. Now, you know, world-renowned plastic and reconstructive surgeon. You know him from the hit TV show. But again, he wouldn't be putting his name on this if it weren't the best of the best of the best ingredients targeted for just this specific area.
Yeah, I mean, by the way, there was a neck photo that was 2 before this. Can we go back to that? Because I got to explain something about that neck photo. I'm just going to walk over, if we can. I just got to show you that plasma. I want to show you one thing. One more, let's go back. It was earlier. It was a new one that I saw that I loved, if we have it. And there it is, okay, beautiful. All right, now, let's see. Take a look at this. And again, this lady is in her 70s. This is something I really want to show you 6 weeks. Look at these wrinkles.
Yes.
Take a look at that 6 weeks.
Dramatic.
Look at the difference. Look how, now obviously if this lady, yes, does she maybe need some more things to have me do a little work with my hands? Yes. But this right here, I'm not getting rid of this. By the way, you gotta be careful how you treat the neck because the sebaceous glands in this area, you have to be very careful because this skin does not heal well. So if you could actually make this type of improvement with a décolleté and neck cream, my Deco Lift, this is remarkable.
Okay, hang in there, and remember you're getting $15 off. My suggestion would be do it on auto ship, customize it any way you want. You get it home for $22.50 and free shipping. If your neck and décolleté is your area of concern, you absolutely owe it to yourself to try this. But coming up, now I've already ordered mine, because this is something I need. If you are looking for the heavy hitter, the workhorse of the line, the one that is gonna give you those results that you want, the night serum is that product. Huge, huge fan favorite. We always do it at $75. We're doing it for $50 just for this visit. We're doing free shipping, and we're doing it on FlexPay for just $25. You know, and when we talk about the signs of aging, this isn't just about lines and wrinkles. This is about texture. This is about firming. This is about that luminosity. So this, my friends, if you are looking for the workhorse of the line, that's the one that I ask personally. You know, the great thing is having Dr. Nassif here, you get a consultation. I said, what do I need for this weird area right here between my eyes? He's like, you've got to do the night serum. But my favorite product, and one of your favorite products as well, I don't know that there's a show host here who doesn't use this. I mean, everybody raves about the Detox pads. Tell us what we're seeing here before we get into the price.
Okay, so this is a Vizia study, which is a complexion analysis. Now, what we did with this, okay, because think about this. How many of you, maybe a little late at night, you get home, you don't want to wash your face with soap and water at all. You don't want to do that. Guess what? You take one of these gigantic pads and you actually take up all the makeup with this. And by the way, what this study shows, this is fluorescent makeup. We did a study and showed that with removing, compared to soap and water, which is the photo that has that other residue on it, the other photo that you saw which had nothing on it, it cleansed the face 108% better. 108% better than soap and water.
Think of that.
And that's
Think
one
about
pad.
this. They've cleansed with soap and water, but 108% better by doing something that's easier. And I want to show you the size of these pads, because we've all seen these pads. You know, you've seen them from different brands. Look at how big these are. Look at how large they are. And then I'm going to pick up one because I want to show you something else. Look at this. Watch this. Now, I picked up one off the top. I want to show you how much. Look at this.
And
look,
that's just the top.
Can you see this? The cocktail, and look at that. Is that crazy? That's the cocktail of precious ingredients that you have in a single pad. So I use these every single day, and I do my whole face, then I do my neck and décolleté, then I do the back of my hands, I even do my arms. That's how much are in this. And remember, this is gonna take the place of cleansing. So you don't have to cleanse and then do the pad.
Yeah, I mean, and you don't, and by the way, and I'm gonna go explain this to you in a second over here, but I will tell you, that's one thing I keep hearing people tell me that they cleanse first and use the pad. No, you don't have to do that. I mean, you do not have to do that because, again, this is something, and by the way, as you're watching this, very important, exfoliation, exfoliation, exfoliation. One thing you need to do, no matter what you use on your face, you gotta get rid of those dead cells. You gotta get rid of the impurities from being outside. You gotta exfoliate. What this does with the combination of glycolic and salicylic acid, it helps decrease the size of the pores. It's basically spa in the pad. And with those acids, you do a few things. One, exfoliate. Two, you help even out the tone of the skin. You help decrease fine lines and wrinkles. You also help prevent breakouts. My 14-year-old son and all his friends, they love using this. So this is not something just to clean makeup off. you're exfoliating, you're cleaning makeup off, you're helping with the anti-aging component.
And Dr. Nassif, isn't it true too, when we're using these pads, any other products that we're putting on, your serums, your moisturizers, anything is gonna work better because it's getting into our skin, right?
Oh yeah, because remember, you have a beautiful canvas. And one thing you don't wanna do is you wanna clean everything. You wanna exfoliate, decrease those size of the pores. Now, let's go through this again. This is a Visia study. This is something that, again, we do in a clinical scientific lab. And we wanted to see how effective really is this fluorescent makeup put on the face after using conventional soap and water. Look at the residue left. Now look at this with using one detox pad. By the way, these detox pads, you could also, after you use them on your face, you can use them on the back of your hands, your knees, your feet, everywhere. So these pads are absolutely incredible.
I want to tell everybody too, we've taken $10 off. We almost never discount the detox pads. Why? Because even when Dr. Nassif is not here, every single day people reorder these. It's one of our top reorder products, not just from his line, but across all our beauty lines. Because once you try them, you will never want to be without them. So we took them from $45 to $35. They're free shipping today, $17 and change on your charge card to get it home, but you see the difference. This is a see the difference product. And remember, gals, I don't care what you're putting on your face. If you're putting a $500 cream on your face, if you're not exfoliating, if you're not getting everything off the surface and truly starting with a clean face, doesn't matter what products you're using. And this is gonna do that for you. It's exfoliating. I love the fact that my pores look so much smaller after I've used these. And also too, if you, like Dr. Nassif said, if you have teenage kids and you tell them cleanse your face and they're not gonna take the time to do that, they will take the literally, not minutes, but seconds that it takes to clean with these pads, which actually do a better job. I'm gonna say do this on auto ship. I'm on auto ship for them. I will never go a day without these. And I gotta show everybody one more time the size, because you get 60 of these. They're huge compared to the other ones. And then they also have so much in them. So look at how much larger they are. And let me just show you this again. And I'm taking them off the top.
Yeah,
usually,
and you did not turn it over.
Gosh,
you went straight to the top.
Absolutely. And usually it's the one at the bottom that has the most, you know, ingredients in it. But watch this. This is, oh my gosh, can you see that?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah, don't spill that all on your papers.
I know, right?
Because your hands are full of it.
Watch this. I'm just going to pour it out again. I mean, that's how much you have in the very top pad. So you're getting that cocktail, that proprietary cocktail of ingredients that's going to help lift those dead skin cells off, all of the debris from our makeup, and make your skincare ingredients from anything else get in there and do a better job. And one more time, Dr. Nassif.
Okay, so this is a Visia study. And by the way, how many of you, I mean, let's be honest about this. How many of you, when you get home at night sometimes, you're out a little bit late, you're tired, you've had a stressful day, you don't wash your face? Well, guess what? I don't even care if you're, you know, lying in bed. Take one of these pads, 30 seconds, look and see what it did with this Visia study, which is a complexion analysis. It removed makeup, and this is heavy fluorescent makeup, 108% better than conventional soap and water.
108% better. Is that crazy? That's amazing.
I mean, and these are, by the way, these, again, and that's why we talk about exfoliation. And I will tell you something. How many times, you know, when you sit there and and I don't know if you really know about this, I'm gonna educate. From when you're out there, every day you have dead skin cell turnover. And where do you think they go? They sit on your face. Ooh. And you have to remove all the impurities. You have to get something, especially at the same point you have anti-aging benefits with glycolic and salicylic acid. These fruit acids are what help decrease fine lines and wrinkles. So you're exfoliating, you're taking off makeup, you're using something anti-aging to help with the wrinkles. It is an awesome spa in a pad.
Well, and the thing is, guys or gals, literally everyone within the sound of our voice, you need to have this. And the fact that we have discounted this, because we almost never do. It sells on its own, even when Dr. Nassif is not here. $10 off. It's on FlexPay for $17.50. And it is amazing the way your skin feels after using this. How many times do you put on a moisturizer? Has this happened to you? You put on a moisturizer and you feel like you've got to rub and rub and rub, and you've even got the white color of the moisturizer still on your face. It's not going into the skin. That's because of those dead skin cells, right?
Oh, that's right. You have to.
Yeah.
I mean, especially, you know, in my office, when you come to my office, one thing I have to do, let's say I'm gonna prep you, I'm gonna do something. We're gonna do either a little of a laser treatment, or we're gonna do some kind of filler, something. One thing I wanna do is I wanna prep your skin before I do anything. I use one of these pads and I take care of your skin before I even touch you. You know, and then that's why I love these pads.
I want to show this one more time, and again, I took the next one off the top, just to, you know, because so many of us, we buy those pads, and then the first time we use them, we feel like they're not saturated anymore. Can you see this pouring out? I mean, honestly, look at how much is in. Is that crazy? I mean, it looks like it's raining. I mean, it's raining great ingredients, and they're huge, and you're getting 60 of these pads. So you get 60 of them. And remember, we're doing them at $10 off as well. You can get that on auto ship. That's what I've done, because I use these every single day. Shannon uses these every single day. Amy Morrison uses these every single day.
Brett?
Yeah, Brett uses these. So I'm telling you, whether you get this for your kids, because you've been on them to cleanse their skin, this is going to cleanse 108 times better than soap and water. We're going to leave this available for you, because I don't care what else you're getting in the show, you've got to get this. This is like that first step to good skin. So I'm going to leave these out here with me. They're not taking them anywhere. We're doing them at $10 off. And we also want to remind you too, you can always visit hsn.com, because we have lots of great products on hsn.com, like our Nurse Jamie pillow from $69 to $59, and free shipping on that as well. So if you're a side sleeper, you know what happens. We crunch up our face. This is your beauty pillow. So ask about that. We've got that on special price as well. And you can check that as well as all of Dr. Nassif's wonderful products. So many of them are huge customer picks. Check it out on hsn.com. Okay, next. If you were lucky enough to go see Dr. Nassif and he was going to do something, perform a procedure on you, before he did that, like if you said, I want to get in, you know, next week, he wouldn't let you do it. Before he performs a procedure, he requires his patients to go home with the HydraScreen hydrating serum for about a month, right?
About a month, yep.
Yeah. And tell us why.
Okay, so ladies, this is what happens. And by the way, I want you to look at the before and afters. While I'm talking, I want you to stare at the wrist of these before and afters, because it's interesting. This is something that we did not expect to find, but with this microspheres of hyaluronic acid. By the way, hyaluronic acid is a natural occurring substance in your body. It holds its weight 1,000 times more in water. Everyone gets dehydrated because I have the unique perspective. As a facial plastic surgeon, I'm looking at the skin from the outside and the inside. And when I'm doing a facelift, one thing I notice, and I know I'm not gonna try to be too graphic, but as I'm using my instruments and my scissors, I notice that things sometimes, actually most of the time, things just aren't happening. The bottom line is my scissors don't really go that well, and I found out that the skin is dehydrated. So now, what I do with everybody, we HydraScreen them. Every time before surgery, they have to use this twice a day for 1 month. This is my biggest thing that flies out of my office, and here, as a matter of fact,
and it flies out at $80. Folks, it's always $80. We're doing it today for $50. Now, I am thrilled that I was able to do the afternoon show, because I don't think tonight for Beauty Report there will be one of these left. Every single time we offer this at $80, it's gone. Today, it's $50. So if you've seen it before and you've thought about it, today's your day, because you can also break it up on those FlexPays. The FlexPay is $25, I believe. Let me just double check that. $25 to get it home and try it, and already over 1,500 people have ordered. Now, I put this on just before we started our show. I put it on one hand. I'll show you all my hand. I did not put it on. I mean, there's my regular hand, right? Okay,
so here's what I want to show you. All right, you know what? We're going to stare at your hand for like a while, and I'm going to explain something to you. So here's the hand. Hold on. Here's not the hand. Okay. So here's the hand. Watch this.
Okay. Oh, this is pretty embarrassing.
Okay, here's that one. Now, by the way, I'm also going to be...
My producer's laughing.
Okay, now maybe I might get in trouble for this, but I'm going to say it anyway. Look at the anatomy here. Okay, this skin basically is thirsty. It has not took a drink of water, basically. You ready? Look at this side over here. Take a look. Can you see the same anatomy?
Look at
Can you? The answer is absolutely not. And this dries to a matte finish. But if you notice, okay, I'm going to try now. I'm trying to grab your skin. I can't grab your skin because
it's plumper.
It's hydrated.
Right.
And by the way, while you're looking, take a look at this animation. And this is an example of what happens. And your skin becomes completely dehydrated. And this happens to all of us. And it's different than moisturizing. We want to hydrate. Here's your skin becoming dehydrated. You take just a little bit of this, of my Hydro Screen, which by the way has retinol in it. Watch the skin plump up.
Oh my gosh.
And you know what retinol is. By the way, let's show you, I gotta show your hands.
You know what,
again.
I'm sitting here looking at my hand and I'm amazed because I'm looking at this hand and
look.
I can count, look at this, I can count this like, I don't know, you know what, I'm not a doctor, I don't know what that, but you can count that here, but you don't, look at how much more plump it is here. And I literally cannot pick that up on this hand. As hard as I'm squeezing and trying to pinch it, you can't pinch it on this one. But again, you sure, that's pretty embarrassing. I can't believe I do this on TV, but you sure can pinch it here. Folks, look at the remarkable difference and think about if this is your face. We are crazy busy. This is exciting. I never get tired of seeing that demonstration because I've never seen another product that can do that.
Well, I mean, by the way, so one thing that just happened, what you just showed, is that you showed your hand that the anatomy was completely different.
Yeah.
Because within about 10 minutes, what happened, 10 minutes, Connie's hand basically, it drank everything up. And by the way, in addition to hydration, and by the way, after we hydrate your skin, we have something called sphingolipids and glycoceramides. These are fatty acids that help keep everything in. But guess what? There's also something called liposome-delivered retinol. What's retinol? Retinol is a very stable form of vitamin A. What does retinol do? We all know what retinol does. It helps decrease fine lines and wrinkles, helps even out the skin tone, helps give your skin more firmness. It does everything. So, and the liposome is a way to actually get it into your skin. So this is very important. You have hydration and anti-aging actives.
And Dr. Nassif, I've got to tell everybody, if you can use express automated ordering, I knew this would happen. We've now sold over 1,600 of these. This is supposed to be in the 5 o'clock show. It's supposed to be in Beauty Report tonight. I can't promise you that that's going to happen. I just want to show you the difference on my hand. As I said, I've worked with Dr. Nassif since he came to the network, but I never get tired of doing this because I imagine, not that this is my hand, but this is my face. And I use this, by the way, I don't know if you're supposed to, Dr. Nassif, but I use it as a primer every day under my makeup. So, you know, I just feel like my face, when I put it on in the morning, first thing, I put it on, and I feel like my face just looks better at the instant I put it on, so I use it as a primer. So here's the hand without. Now, I'm not only getting skin, I'm getting a lot of skin, which is pretty embarrassing. And not only that, you can see, look at the, and I don't even know how to, like, name the anatomy of what that is there, but you can see the separation. My producer, he just needs to be quiet.
I mean, you're pointing at tendons.
Yeah, okay, tendons, okay. There you go. But the point is, look at the difference. I mean, it looks like this hand is shriveled. It looks like this hand is like the old hand. It looks like this hand is a different person's hand. And watch, I cannot pinch that skin. Look at how much it looks full. It looks plumper. It looks radiant. It looks youthful. And so imagine the same thing happening if you put this on your forehead, if you put this on your cheeks, if you put this on your chin. We are very busy. I do want to remind you, it's for this visit that we've taken $30 off. So it will be always $80. Today we're doing it for $50. We're doing it with free shipping and $25 to get it home, but Dr. Nassif is going to show us more.
And by the way, one area you can also use this, which is great, your knees and your feet. Now, let me show you something. I want to explain some, again, before and afters. I love before and afters. One application, dry, thirsty skin. Take a look. Now look at the after. This is what we call glow luminosity. Shiny. The skin pretty much, it just soaked it up. Next one, please. I'm gonna show you a bunch of photos, same thing. Okay, here we go. Take a look at this face here. And again, these are used as primers, like you just mentioned, Connie. Before makeup, I use this myself twice a day. Obviously, I don't use makeup, but I use that right after I finish showering, shaving the whole bit. After one application, take a peek. So this is for men also. Holidays are coming. Next one, please. All right, same thing.
Oh my gosh, she looks like she has highlighter on, but she doesn't.
Okay, take a look here. Dry, thirsty. Oh, give me more of that. That's what her face is.
I know.
Now, this is an interesting one. Okay, this is something that we did not expect, and I was going through the before and afters with these, and again, these are professional before and afters that basically we have to have a clinical lab that's approved to do this. Now, guess what I found? 4 weeks. Even though they were using something for the lower eye, I said I want to put I want to have the hydro screen on the face. Take a look right here. And this is from the retinol and the lifting effect. Look right here. And by the way, she's a little bit heavy. Take a look at the difference. Do you see the difference how this whole area's been lifted? And that's where the retinol comes in play. Now, let's look at the hands. And by the way, if you need to interrupt me, go ahead, because I love looking at these things.
Okay, I got to tell everybody, with 1,700 ordered, and Jared, I think we have, what, about 500 people on board? Okay, we have more than 500 people who are trying to get this. This is the hero product of the line. This is why Dr. Nassif came to us here at HSN. And again, you got to think, before he does a surgery, any surgery in his office, he sends the patient home for 1 month to use the Hydra Screen, because this is doing what the name implies. It's hydrating our skin. Hydrated skin is youthful looking skin. Not only is it addressing the dryness, the aging, but also those lines, those wrinkles, and the glow of the skin. And it does it instantly, but long term, it is amazing. And I gotta say too, a little tiny bit goes a long way. With almost 2,000 of these ordered, wouldn't you love to see if your skin on your face, yes, we love it on the hands, but I mean, if your skin on your face could go from this, which looks dry, it looks dehydrated, it looks old, it looks lined and wrinkled, it's lackluster, to this. Look at how the glow, you can see the luminosity, it looks plumper. There is no question. And watch this. I mean, on this one, I can pinch, like I could keep going. On this one, not at all. That's because it has its youthful kind of firming look back to it, and it also glows. And look at the appearance of the lines and wrinkles. I mean, such a dramatic difference. Which looks like the younger hand? Dramatically, that one looks younger. We are so busy because I don't remember when we've had this at $30 off. We have it at $30 off today. We have it on FlexPay for you at $25 and free shipping to get it home. We're going to check back in with Dr. Nassif. He's going to show us more.
Okay, so now, ladies, this is something I did not expect to find. And again, the hands, especially when you wash your hands all the time, you're using all the alcohol, different now types of sanitation, you get this area dry. Now, besides what we're looking here, first of all, I want you to look at the wrist. This is an area here that does not have a lot of sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands are good for healing. It's absent in this area. Look at the diminishment of the lines here. 4 weeks. Imagine 3 to 4 months. Look at the difference between here and here, and look at the volumization right here. Can we see the next one? Okay, now take a look at this.
Oh my goodness.
All right, now, here we go. Look at this area here. And look at this only after 4 weeks.
Wow.
Look at the difference. And by the way, you think if this can do this to your hands, what do you think it's going to do to your face? Can we see the next one?
I'm just looking at these hands going, oh my gosh.
Okay, now, I'm going to show you 2 things. First of all, I want you to look at the plumping. Look at here before, look at here after. Look at the difference. Look at, and by the way, these are very, very deep. I mean, honestly, I mean, how many of us actually can even think about our hands in this area, our wrist? We don't. Look at the difference. And again, I'm using this to compare what this can do to the face. Look at the improvement, Connie. Ladies, look at this improvement.
Dramatic. Okay, I've got to let you know too, my producer is saying if you can use express automated ordering, we do have auto ship. However, auto ship is very, very limited. Why do you want to do auto ship? Because that means forever you will get this, not at $80, but at $50. That's a $30 savings. We're paying to ship it to you. It's $25 on your charge card. Of course, you customize it any way you want. I think it lasts forever because such a teeny tiny little drop goes a long way. I love what our model's doing. She's putting it on her neck and on her décolleté, which is absolutely incredible. I want to show you my hands one more time. And honest to goodness, I probably shouldn't be doing it's embarrassing that my one hand looks so bad. I know Dr. Nassif is thinking, bless her heart with her one hand.
Okay, but you want to know something interesting? So when we first started doing this, it was interesting. I did not know that it could actually hydrate the hand that quick.
Yeah.
And we put this on right before the show, and take a look at this. All right, I want you to look at this right here. Look at the anatomy. And again, I'm trying to make sure I don't get in trouble here by saying too much with our legal department here, but I'm gonna show you that, okay? This is just right now not treated. Look at the difference.
Look at the difference.
I mean, so look at this. Take a look and see how this right here is completely rejuvenated.
Yep.
And just think of using this for a while. I try to pick up Connie's skin. Look at this. I
know.
can't.
And you can even touch the skin and roll the skin here. I mean, look at that. You can, oh my gosh. I need to stop it. Stop it now. But look, you can't do it with this one.
I mean, and what's great about this, and these are microspheres of hyaluronic acid. And here's an animation which actually shows this is what happens to your skin. By the way, you know when you use a moisturizer, that's just doing something topically. This is hydrating. Here's your skin, happens to all of us, especially when you're out in the sun. Basically, it just sinks in, and now we add a little bit. And a little bit goes a long way, a few drops, and here we go. We're intensely hydrating. This, with the retinol, I mean, by the way, the retinol, you're getting the lines and the wrinkles. We're taking care of that. We're taking care of the hydration. And then with glycoceramides and sphingolipids, you're saying, what is that? Well, let me explain this to you, really important. When I'm putting together a product, now, there are certain labs you can go to, and they have something what we call on the shelf. This is not on the shelf. By the way, I want you to look at these before and afters of the hands while I'm sitting here talking, because I want to explain to you a process, and most people don't get to hear this, but I sit down with the chemist and I say, okay, what can we use to hydrate? Because we already know about hyaluronic acids. You've heard of that in your plastic surgeon's office. Not all hyaluronic acids are made the same. I picked out the best with the best delivery system to get it inside to hydrate, and then the glycoceramides and the sphingolipids keep it in together with the retinol.
Oh, so not only is it giving us that look at the plumper skin and hydrating, but it's keeping it that way too. I love it. And that's why all day long, I use this as a primer. All day long, and even when I'm not using makeup on my days off, when I'm not putting on any makeup, I put this on because it makes my skin look younger. It absolutely does. I'll never be without the pads. I will never be without the Hydra Serum. And this is a better price than we ever do because we took it from 80 to 50. It's on FlexPay for you. You can do it on auto ship. We're now over 2,000 ordered, and Dr. Nassif is back at 5 and back during the beauty report, but I can't promise you that we'll have this certainly on auto ship. So if you can use express automated ordering, keep in mind, this was my hand after one application. So you get this home, you have 30 days to try this, but after one application, I know you're gonna feel the difference, you're gonna see the difference. This is a product that works so well, and I know we're really, really busy. Okay, so my other favorite, the Detox pads, 60 of them, super-sized pads, super hydrated, very, very popular today because we've taken $10 off the price. And tell us again how much better this cleans than soap and water.
Okay, so this is a Vizia study. That's fluorescent makeup. And then you see the after with the residue. That's conventional soap and water. The clean side is with one gigantic super-sized pad. Cleanse the face 108% better than soap and water.
Okay, hang in there for your Hydra Serum. I'm keeping this out here. We're gonna take a brief pause because we are so very busy. We have so much more coming up, but we're gonna show you more of what's going on right here at HSN launch. You don't wanna miss out on. Take a look.
We are celebrating HSN innovations by sending you a $25 off coupon for the first time ever when you sign up for email. Search email on hsn.com and stay connected for monthly coupons exclusive to email subscribers and great deals perfect for holiday shopping. Whether it's the latest on today's specials or subscribing to your favorite show, email has you covered. Sign up for email now and don't miss a single HSN moment or innovation.
I love sharing Gotta Watch Thursdays with Colleen because for all of us who love beauty and fashion, to sit back, relax, and just have a blast with your favorite girlfriends and your favorite products. Join me, Amy Morrison, on The Beauty Report. And join me, Colleen Lopez, for The List. I love The List because it's always full of surprises. She always makes me think out of the box. I love The Beauty Report. The problem is I shop all night before I go on the air. I'm buying beauty before I get to my fashion. Tune in for Gotta Watch Thursdays every Thursday night starting at 7 p.m.
positive lifestyle to me means believing in yourself. Always believing in I can versus I can't.
Oh, here, that's so good.
Okay, so now we're going to spring.
And always looking at improving yourself.
You can do it.
Trying to do the best you can at everything. It's about what you eat, how you sleep, adding exercise to your life. It all ties in. Just remember,
You can do it!
It was only us in the moment, and your touch kept me high. I know it's time for us. Let's take it to the top again. It's got me feeling like a fire inside. Yeah, all I really wanna do. Come on, we're moving on, and we're gonna be the best again.
Okay, I know we still have tons of you on board for the Hydra Serum. Bear with us. We're going to get it for you at $30 off. But now, okay, ladies, let's be real. Probably one of our, well, definitely one of our biggest, if not the biggest area of concern is around our eyes, right? And so many products, they say, don't put it on the upper eye. Don't put it on the eyelid. Well, you know what? We don't only get the look of aging here, we get the look of aging here. So we are bringing you a product that is specifically designed for that very thin skin around our eye. We're doing this normally at $50. Today it's $36, and look at that flex pay. It is $9 to get this home. $9 to get it home and to try it in person. And again, it's gonna be for all around your eye. Something else I've gotta tell you about this, value-wise, this is a full ounce. Most eye creams that you see are a half an ounce. So this is like getting double the size. This is like getting 2 of the normal size, because all eye creams, if you go to major department stores, most of them are gonna be a half ounce. This is 1 full ounce. And I've gotta remind you too, we're doing this from $50 to $36. The 4 flexible payments was added just before my show, so it's under $10 to try it, but we're gonna check in with Dr. Nassif, and he's gonna tell us how important it is to have something that is specifically for the eye area. And then Dr. Nassif, I'm thrilled because we can use it above the eye too.
Yes, now, so the periorbital complex, the most common facial surgery, the patients come in, especially when they start aging, they get that little excess skin on the upper eyelid. By the way, any product you use, including mine, you don't want to get it inside the eye, but we have to be very careful. You can use it on the upper eyelid and then around what we call the periorbital, where the crow's feet are. And this is something that has my wonderful ethyl absorbic acid, a very stable form of vitamin C. And do we have that still of the grapes that we can pop up? This is a quick little story. All right. So I was in Europe. I was talking to a chemist. I said, I'm putting together a periorbital eye, and I want to have something for my serum that is going to actually elevate and help make this area refresh. Then he said, well, guess what? In Switzerland, there's a product made from frozen grapes on the vine, and it's called Vin Uplift. And in a pilot study, what it did, these are only, by the way, harvested 3 times a decade.
Wow.
It helps hold in hydration, helps decrease fine lines and wrinkles. And now I gotta prove it and show you. Okay, now, do I have a minute to show you this?
Yes, yes.
All right, and I think we have, what, about 5 or 6 of these? I wanna show these because it really shows a dramatic difference. One, I want you to take a look. This is the upper eyelid skin. Take a look, no surgery. Look at the difference, how it's brighter, luminosity. Look at the wrinkles, how they've softened.
And look at her
this is
lid.
4 weeks, by the way. Look at how deep these are. Look, after 4 weeks, how this is completely subsided, more upper eyelid skin. 4 weeks, imagine 3 to 4 months.
Dr. Nassif, I have to tell you something. My producer just confirmed that this 4 flexible payments, that's only for my show. So if you see this later today, you won't get the 4 flex pay. So if you're thinking about this and that's gonna make you try it, it's under $10 to bring it home. The 4 flex pay is only for this hour, and we have about 15 minutes left. So we've gotta show you more of how this is gonna work for you, because we always hear about this area. Dr. Nassif is showing us the upper eyelid. Of course, it works on the crow's feet, works underneath, but it's really gonna give us that beautiful lifted look and more of that eyelid look above. So we're gonna show you that.
Okay, so here we go. Again, I want you to look in this whole area. Again, the skin is dry, it's thirsty. Take a look at the luminosity, take a look at the upper eyelid, take a look at this whole area here, how the whole crow's feet area has been relaxed, subsided. It says, thank you for giving me something that has helped my eye. Do we have the next one? And I'm gonna show you again, we're gonna see. All right, now, on this one, what I want you to look at is take a look at this. We call this hooding. These are deep. We want elevation after 4 weeks. We can see now, look at the difference between here and here. And again, by the way, you know, you and I were talking about this earlier. The minimum you should do is 8 weeks in a study. This is half the time, and look at the results. Do we have more of these?
Okay, we are absolutely so busy because I think these are problems we all have. Look at this before and after.
Okay, take a look. I want you to look. Okay, I'm gonna go point especially. Look at the upper eyelid here. Look at now, look at the difference. Look how this is opened. This is obviously no surgery. I'm not using my hands. I'm using my wonderful periorbital complex. Take a look at this upper eyelid. Look at this. Do you see the difference in the skin? And that's 4 weeks. Take a look. And we have one more here I'm gonna show you. This is a better view too. This is what we call a 3/4 view. Take a look here. And look at the difference. Okay, look at the measuring and look what happens over here. Take a look at this. This is why I love this product with the Vin Uplift, which is the product from the Swiss grapes that are frozen on the vine. This is an absolutely incredible difference.
And I've got to show everybody the size one more time too, because this is almost like you're getting a double size, because this is 1 full ounce. If you're shopping in the department stores, you get half this. So a little bit goes a long way. This can last you 3 months or more. And reminding you too that we have taken that price. Normally we do this one at $50. We're doing it for $36 today. Now the great thing is, because you're with us this afternoon, you can put that on auto ship, so you'll never have to pay $50. You can always get it at $36 if you sign up for auto ship. We have far fewer, a limited quantity in the auto ship, but you can do that. And free shipping, we pay to ship it to you. We're putting it on FlexPay at under $10, $9 in fact to get it home. But one more time, look at what our lovely model is doing. She is putting it in the raised part of her eyebrow, on her eyelid, tapping it on those crow's feet, getting underneath where a lot of us get that hollowed look underneath, that wrinkled look underneath. So you can put it all the way around the eye. And you gotta think too, if you're shopping for skincare, wouldn't you love to shop with a doctor? Don't you want the doctor to give you the skincare you need? I mean, he's using his deep understanding of not only the anatomy, but the facial aging process to create these products.
I mean, remember, and by the way, it's in the actives. And the active ingredients, especially since I'm putting the time in doing this, and this is again something, as we age, we start getting these wrinkles right here. These are called crow's feet or periorbital rhytids, and then we start getting this excess skin. And I'm just giving you a basic anatomy lesson, and this happens, unfortunately, to all of us. And then when you look here, only after 4 weeks, Connie, ladies, do you actually see how much of the upper eyelid you can see now? Take a look at that. So when you're putting on your makeup, this is a lot easier to put makeup on here than it is here. Do we have another one of these? Because this is something, I love looking at these before and afters and showing how we have continual improvement up the upper eyelid. And interesting, if you look in this area here, this is an area and the skin is very thin here, especially in the upper eyelid. By the way, we want to make sure we keep things out of the eye. This eye is more open, it's more refreshed, and this here is glowing. This is called luminosity.
Okay, I've got to remind everybody, we have only 10 minutes left in the show. That FlexPay of $9, we get 4 FlexPays just for the show. That FlexPay goes away in 10 minutes. Our sales manager just told us he will be changing the FlexPay in 10 minutes. So if you want this one, and remember, it's almost like getting double the size because it's not a ½ ounce, it's 1 full ounce, and it's from Dr. Nassif. You're not buying something from a drugstore. You're not buying something from someone who's representing a product. Dr. Nassif created these products to sell in his office, to give to his patients. And they could really, most of his patients in Beverly Hills, they could buy anything in the world that they want. This is what they use. And you get to use that same product. And you saw those before and afters, and you get it home this hour for $9. That's the FlexPay. Okay, we're gonna show you more before and afters. And reminding you too, now almost 400 people have said yes to it. Auto ship is available. You'll always get that reduced price.
Okay, a little bit more of anatomy. I mean, again, I can keep talking about these before and afters forever and ever because they are so, this is what it's all about, especially when I'm preventing you from coming all the way to Beverly Hills so I don't have to touch you with my hands surgically. Take a look at this. As we age, we get hooding, everything starts to fall, then these wrinkles get deeper because everything is falling. Now with the Vin Uplift and the ethyl absorbic acid, take a look only after 4 weeks. Now, we have what, about 3 months, October, November, yeah, about 3 months, maybe 3.5 months. If you use the product, just imagine what this area will look like in you. 4 weeks, take a look at these wrinkles right here. Look at the difference between before and after.
Okay, they're telling us we got to wrap this up. They're trying to save some for a little bit later this afternoon. You won't get that flex pay this afternoon. The 4 flexible payments is just for this show. So from $50 to $36 if your eye area, not just underneath, but even the top. Even the top is your area of concern, this is what you go with. We want to remind you of our Hydra Serum one more time because we took this from $80 all the way down to $50, $30 off, free shipping. You can also break that up on FlexPay at just $25 to get that home. But you see those results, use this and see what it's going to do for you. And remember, you can do that on auto ship too. Okay, before the show, we were in the green room chatting. You know, we always meet with our guests before the show, sometimes the day before, but today I met with Dr. Nassif before the show. I have always, like I don't have a ton of lines and wrinkles on this part, but I said, Dr. Nassif, look at this right here. I said, I have this weird,
I'm looking, she's going, don't stare at me.
I have this weird texture. It's like, it's almost like if you look at the skin of an orange, you know how the skin of an orange has like little dots in it? That's the texture here that I have on my skin. I said, what can I do for it? And he goes, you know what you need? You need to do the night serum on this. He goes, you're already using the Hydra Serum. We've got to do the night therapy on it. So if you are looking for the heavy hitter, if you want to pull out all the stops, if you're already seeing the signs of aging, and not just fine lines and wrinkles, but lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, loss of elasticity, loss of luminosity. If you want the big guns, this is it. We normally do this at $75. Today it is $50. And it's on FlexPay at $25 to bring it home. But there's a reason that this is considered the heavy hitter of the line. And Dr. Nassif is going to tell us, he has really cocktailed the finest ingredients, the ones that are the gold standard for treating the appearance of aging in this product. Right, Dr. Nassif?
Absolutely, and by the way, again, a night serum, and what we found that combining retinol, which is in this product, which I described before, which is a natural form of vitamin A, and ethyl absorbic acid, which is a very stable form of vitamin C. In addition to neopeptides, we're able to get the results with evening out skin tone, helping with lines and wrinkles on your face, and getting everything more firm. Now, I'm gonna actually, again, do a little bit of a demonstration where I'm pointing out, this is what we're talking about. Wow. Look, these are called perioral commissure lines or rhytids. Look, 1, 2, 3, okay? Now watch, you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Look at the difference. We have 1, but 2 and 3 are gone. 6 weeks. 6 weeks, the jowl has also been picked up, and this is something that I did not expect to see that good of a lift.
No.
And by the way, when I'm lifting with my hands, I tell every patient when I'm doing a facelift, I said, yes, I can up with the jowls, the neck, the cheeks overall, but anything around the mouth is very hard for me to lift because we want to give them a natural lift. We don't want anything fake looking, so we're not going to pull sideways, but this does it for us without me using my hands.
It's crazy.
Let's go to the next one. All right, now, on this one, I wanted to show you, this is really, really important here. Take a look again here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, where's 2 and 3?
Yes!
Take a look at the luminosity, the glow. Look at the whole area. Completely changed. We have a next one. By the way, you know, I have like 6 of these, so you interrupt me when you need to.
Okay, by the way, we've sold over 400 of these. We've only been talking about this for the last 4 minutes. I want to remind everybody we've taken $25 off. We're doing free shipping. You can lock in that price and never pay that $75 if you want to do this on auto ship. But unfortunately, we have 5 minutes to shop on this. So if you're already seeing, like that lady, and I don't know the medical term that Dr. Nassif just used, I call them accordion laugh lines. They go up the side side of your face, if you have that and you've always thought there's just nothing I can do for it, if you're like me and you have this line from nose to mouth, if you have a weird, hard to treat area right there in between your eyes, whatever it is, this is a combination of what we've normally thought of. Like, people buy retinol products, people buy vitamin C products. Well, what Dr. Nassif has done is he's cocktailed those gold standard ingredients into a better formulation, and he's bringing it to us for overnight use. And get this, if you don't have your HSN charge card yet, and you want to call right this very moment and join the almost 500 people who've ordered, you can get $10 off the price, even though we've already taken it from $75 to $50. If you call and get approved for that charge card, you could take it down to $40 because you get $10 off your first purchase. But bottom line, if you are looking for something that's not just addressing fine lines and wrinkles, because I want more than that. You know, I already see the signs of aging. If you already see the signs of aging on your face and you want something that is going to address all of the signs of aging, Dr. Nassif, this does it for us.
Okay, let's keep that photo up because I'm going to show you a little surprise in a minute. This here is Sue. Now, Sue's problem is she has this discoloration, also besides the fine lines, but I want you to do me a favor. This is the combination of retinol and vitamin C. Do you see the difference? Look at the color, look at the brown sunspots, look at her face, and now let's go ahead and go to her directly now. We're gonna go to me, and if we can actually do a close-up of her. And this is the area that we're talking about, we treated. And unfortunately, with her complexion, she's from England, and I always go say, hello, darling, and she says, I'm doing it the wrong way. But this is an area that has been damaged from the past, and this substantially has lightened up, and this is without her having any peels, nothing else like that. She uses the product nightly. And now let's go back to her before really quick. I wanna look at her before, and now take a look at her before, look at her after, and now let's go to me for a second. Okay, now let's do a close-up if we can. And this right here. And this right here is magic. And this is something that we're getting a complete lifting, but we're softening up. Especially, I want her to continue to use this for about a good 6 months to get these better and better and better. And I'm gonna head, by the way, thank you. I'm gonna head over more of those before and afters.
Okay, and again, you gotta think, this is a doctor-developed skincare. Dr. Nassif has been in the industry for almost 30 years. And
well, I'm not that old. How about like 19 or 20?
Okay, my information says over 25 years.
Well, that includes medical school, maybe.
That was my product
I'm only
information.
41 years old, though, you know. I use my own product.
Okay, the point is, he has been doing this for quite some time. One of the most respected, world-renowned plastic surgeons, he developed this line for us. We're gonna show you more of how this works, but I do wanna remind you that day in and day out, when you're shopping for this one, it's not $50, it's $75. Today it's $50, it's on FlexPay at $25, but the results on not just lines and wrinkles, but all the signs of aging. Take a look.
Okay, again, when we take a look at these photos, this is where we're actually sitting, taking a look, and this is, again, a skin that has the wrinkles here, has the wrinkles here, and then we actually get into complete rejuvenation. And now, can we have the next one, please? And that's 6 weeks used once a night. And now, here we go. Now, this is someone who has etched in wrinkles. These are etched in, again, and this is someone who's had a lot of skin damage from who knows exactly what. Whether it's genetics, whether it's the sun. This is 6 weeks. These have substantially relaxed. This patient will have to use this for a total of 3 months, but only in 6 weeks is a dramatic difference. Do we have another one of these? Okay, and that's why that's interesting to watch. This is what we like to see, changes from this deep in. And by the way, these wrinkles here are wrinkles that unfortunately happens with smoking, or if you don't smoke, women for some reason get these. That's why our goal is to make these less deep. And take a look at the differences here, between here.
Okay, a little goes a long way, folks. So this is at least a 3-month supply. Today's the day to get it because we took it from 75 all the way down to 50. Remember, if you do that HSN charge card and it's your first purchase, you can save $10. We're doing it on FlexPay at $25. But if you're looking for the intensive serum, this is the night therapy. And remember, it's retinol and vitamin C. So normally you go and you spend what on a retinol product or a vitamin C product, and they may not even be in a product that that you can use. This is something with the delivery system that we can all use, and we're doing it today at $25 on FlexPay. I know we're busy. Bear with us. Ask about your Hydra Serum or your Hydra Screen. Ask about your pads. And I know you're going to be back today at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay, but hang in there, and remember the 4 FlexPays on the Periorbital Eye. That's only for this show. So thank you, my friend. Nice to see you.
It was great being with you.
Thank you.
Bye,
and we'll see you back
everybody.
at 5.
5 o'clock.
And Callie's on the way next. And bear with us as we get you taken care of.